Anyway,
Hi, Daddy. Today I'm gonna open a package that you got me.
I got you. Do you know what it is?
No. Here I go.
Do you have any idea? Oh, you ripped it open. Open it up. What's in it?
Whoa, a box.
A box.
It's hard to get out.
Maybe you didn't rip it enough. Oh, rip it all the way up. Come on. Come on. What is that? I don't know. Let's look. Let's look.
What is... I knew you would buy me this. I heard that you would do this. This is enough darts that I needed for my Nerf gun.
Nerf gun darts?
Yeah.
How many Nerf gun darts?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 packs of 10 is 100.
100.
You want to play with your Nerf gun? Go get your Nerf gun.
Okay.
Okay, so we had to get his guns. We couldn't find all the guns, could we?
Yeah.
But before, you had a bunch of guns and like 2 darts, didn't you?
Yeah.
Why do you only have a couple of darts?
Well, because I kept shooting them and I want some.
You kept shooting them. Who were you shooting them at?
My dad.
Well, I'd shoot them back. Who do you shoot them at that don't like it?
The dog.
No, we don't shoot the dog. Well, you shoot Mama don't like it, right?
Yeah.
Every time you shoot Mama, you tend to lose darts?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? These darts, it was $8 for 100 of them, so we're probably going to buy more.
Alright. So,
Right?
yeah, like 200 of them.
Like 200? Well, why don't you open up a pack and why don't you load up your...
This one, because the blue one is to go with that one.
Oh, because it's the guns white and blue?
Yeah.
Load them up and load up your magazine, and then we'll see if they're good as regular darts, because these are like a knockoff. They're not like Nerf.
Yeah.
Right?
They're knockoffs.
Can I see one?
Oh, sure.
They look about like your Nerf darts.
No, these are bigger.
They're longer?
Yeah, and I don't remember seeing that in metal.
Will they fit in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's in my magazine.
You fill up your magazine?
Yep.
Did yesterday we fill up my magazines?
Yes.
Did we load real bullets yesterday?
Yes.
Now we're loading Nerf bullets?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright. This is kind of fun, like loading a toy magazine.
A toy magazine?
Yeah.
Is it easier than loading a real magazine?
Wait, are there 12 of each of them?
I don't know. But there's 10 in a package.
Oh.
10 times 10 is 100.
Supposed to have 12, but that can still work.
Okay.
Alright, now let's load this sucker up.
Load that sucker up.
Yeah.
Remember, we don't point it at ourselves.
Alright, let's see. Here we go.
Ready? Here we go. So anyway, hey, are these darts working good?
Yes.
You like them?
Yeah.
Are they worth $8?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how many we can lose before Mama gets home.
Okay.
Okay. Say bye.